Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Four Seasons in Sweden. Magandang araw Pilipinas, mabuhay! And to this vlog, we're going to plant vegetables inside our greenhouse. And please follow me until the end. But before we put our soil into the DIY pot or this bricks that we made, what we have to do is we need to mix with these coffee grounds. So it says that it gives our plants extra moisture. So it will help to our plants grow well. So this is my first time to use this coffee ground. So let me see guys what will be the result if we use this coffee grounds. Maybe 2 parts of compost soil and 1 part of this coffee grounds. So let's begin. But before we put our soil on it, so we need to cover it with plastic so we can avoid the water leak into our floor bricks. And now we are done putting our plastic cover on the top or inside our DIY pot. So the next thing we have to do is we need to put this, we call it in Sweden lika cooler or lika cooler. I don't know what is the translation in English, but we need to use this under before the soil. So when you water your plants and then it happens sometimes that we water it too much. So this leca cooler is sucking the water or the excess water, so it will absorb on this leca cooler. So when the plant is dry, so they have water from this leca cooler, so they can drink water on it before we have a time again to water it, because sometimes it happens that we miss it. So this leca killer is very good for our plants by absorbing the excess water. So this is another tips for you guys. I hope you learn something from this vlog, and maybe you can look at the on the Google what is a lika cooler or lika cooler in Swedish. And now guys, I'm going to show you inside our greenhouse. I have already planted vegetables. So let's get in, or let's get inside. Now, as you can see, it's our inside the greenhouse. It is already, I have some plants here that I'm going to transfer another place in outside a vegetable garden also. And this is our watermelon, and this is our bell pepper, and then on the end it is our jalapenos. So I'm really excited to show you guys. I'm really excited to show you all guys uh, when they are growing. After a couple of months, maybe in the end of August, you can see what is the result. Maybe we are successfully grow it, or maybe not, I don't know. It is our experiment, so hopefully we can harvest, or they can grow, or they will grow good. So and I have some sunflower here. I already have flowers, but yeah, because of the I was plant it very early, and then it was cold, and then yeah, they are not growing very well, but they have flowers in a way. And I have some tomato here. I have some tomato here, and this one is watermelon also. And this is the tomato, some tomatoes there, and this is our. Also, it was last year, or yeah, maybe 2 years ago, and we made this with my husband. This what do you call that? The box that you have a box inside. I showed it before, but and then you can put water on it. So even you are not flowering it, or you are not watering it for 1 week, so you have a water, so he can put a suck water on it inside. So he put a water on the holes, and inside you have a box on it. It's a plastic box. We use this DIY box from the ice cream box, like I think it's 5 liter ice cream box. It's a plastic box, and then it's, of course, it's empty. We have already 8, or we have already consumed the ice cream, and there's of course the empty box on it. So we put, or we make a holes on that cover of this ice cream box, and we put also this this one, what do you call that? We use a pipe, a small pipe, and then we cut it and then put it in a hole. So if you want to water this your plants, so, and example, if you are going to live somewhere with like 1 week, so they have already a water inside, and this roots. This is exactly, you have a hose on it, so it is good through under, and this the roots is sucking the water on that we had been what do you call that, put it in, or we fill it in with water inside. So we have, also they can consume it for about 1 week or more. It depends. And maybe you can, if it's after 1 week, if you maybe we can ask our friend to watering it. You can only put water on the hose to fill it in. So I'm really excited, guys. So, and I show you later. And as I can say, it is already a summer because it's a month of June. But this plant, we had been late planted because it was, until now it is still cold. We have rain and cold and rain, and yeah, hopefully they will grow, and then we'll have fruits before before the summer is end. And I show you also, guys, I have this what do you call that, the grapes. I have already fruits in here, and this is, you know, I will show you in the door outside our greenhouse, so you can see they are hanging from there, or from here to there. And this is how I will show you later, guys. I'm very excited when they are ripe, but now they are so small, as you can see, and you have a lot of fruits. So I will show you later. I am very excited to show you it, because I know that when they are ripe, they are going to hanging like that. So I think it will be beautiful and exciting. So So guys, thank you so much that for watching my YouTube channel. I'm sorry guys. I am not good to speak English because we don't speak English here in Sweden. But I even chosen to speak English anyway because I want everyone will understand what I said anyway, or at least so. So you can leave a comments in the comment section below if you want if you want to ask questions from me. So I'm going to answer as I could, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys. I'm really happy if you subscribe and follow me, and we could, and then with that, when you follow me, so I can continue to make my vlog or my YouTube channel better, because I don't have much time right now to make a film or make a video what I'm doing every day, because I love planting, I love nature, and I love my garden. So guys, thank you so much, and I will see you again next time. And this is the 4 seasons in Sweden. My name is Emeline Steen, and this is my nature in Sweden. Thank you so much. Coming next, the garden tour, or our garden. I'm going to show you all of them. So see you around, or see you again next time.